everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for another video. We're so happy you're here. If you're returning, I so appreciate the support. If you're new, I'm Laura. Zena's the brown puppy dog. Wyatt is this white puppy dog right here. And we are kicking off an outfit of the day, what I wore video. It is Sunday. It is sunny. It is not warm. Let's see. It is 19 degrees outside. 19. It's supposed to get up into the 30s, so we shall see if that happens. And the sun is out, so it already feels better than yesterday, which was our snowstorm, and we woke up to about 4 or 5 inches of fresh snow right before spring is here, right? And so we set the clocks ahead for today, so we're going to get some more daylight. So hopefully this was our last snow for winter, and we're going to get into spring. All right, so for today, I chose, I tell you all the time, Sunday is like my work day. Get stuff done around the house, get stuff done, preparation for the week, get my videos filmed. It's just like check, check, check. So I always have a lot of stuff to do. So it's always usually my most casual day, typically, unless I have something else going on for the day. And I chose a CRZ yoga outfit. I'm super excited. I shared this on my channel a week ago, Monday, right? So last Monday. And I love their items because it's affordable, right? And it's quality. So I put on a full CRZ yoga outfit today. I have on the snake print, reptile print sports bra that I shared with you all in my haul, as well as this fun jacket with the thumb holes. Also shared that in my haul. And then today I have on a pair of the black Butter Luxe leggings that I also received from CRZ Yoga that I am in love with. You always can't have enough black leggings, right? And I always do that test, you bend over, can you see any skin at that widest part of your bottom? And I love that you can't. So for $30, I think these leggings are well worth it. I'll put all the information for CRZ Yoga down below, as well as my code to get an additional 10% off in case you guys want to check any of these items out. For shoes, I put on my P448s. These I've had for quite some time. Got them during one of the Nordstrom anniversary sales. Have the fun gold plus the animal print here in the back. So that, and I wear them just like this, like a slip-on, so I don't tie them. I leave them loose, and I just slide them on my feet. Call it lazy, I guess. So for jewelry, I just have on a pair of silver hoops, and that is it for today. So I hope your week starts off amazing, and I'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday. Back to work already. It is a sunny day outside. All the snow from the weekend is starting to melt because it's 46. Supposed to get up to 54. How nice is that? And for today's outfit, I chose this Loft sweater dress, but I'm wearing it like a cardigan. Loft denim, a Nikibiki tank. I have a Loft necklace on. I have Evereve bracelets on. And for shoes, I have Steve Madden booties on. And that's my outfit. Just Wyatt's joining me today. I don't even think you can see him, but here he is. I think you can see his ears. Zena's snoozing. That's what she does. That's her job. She snoozes and begs for busy bones. Yep. That's what Zena does. So today my Trendsend posted. Hope you check it out. I got so many styles, but I'm not sure this one's as me as my Trendsends typically are. Let me put it that way. So I will share with you tomorrow what my keepers are. All right, that's a wrap on Monday's outfit of the day, and we'll be back tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. It is 52 degrees outside, and it's supposed to trend upward a little bit to the high 50s. The sun is trying to come out. It hasn't quite made it. It is still morning. I am only working a few hours this morning, and then I have to take my mom into the city to see a specialist. She's having some medical issues, and so I'm a little more casual today because I really wasn't on a lot of video calls, and I just dressed more for, I don't know, comfort. Yeah. You know, I don't expect today to be all that great. So sometimes you dress based on that. And I think we all kind of do. You kind of dress based on your mood. Sometimes you try to give yourself a lift. Sometimes you just are dressing to get through the day. And I think that, you know, sometimes you're in a great mood and you really rock your outfit. So I think that's why I love clothes. They kind of express how you're feeling for the day. At least in my case, I feel like that's how it goes. So anyway, this is why I love my channel, because it gives us all a chance to escape from the reality of the world going on outside of our little talks, because we all have life stuff. We all have stuff going on. The world is just out of control at this moment. But it gives us a chance to just take a pause and talk about, you know, clothes, which is just something fun, calm, relaxing, and, you know, takes a break from all the real stuff, right? See, it's all calm, except for you. You're not calm today. Cena just wants treats. All right. So for today, I wore a Allison Joy top. This one has, it's really soft and it's very comfortable, and I figured it would be great in case it warms up and I need to take off my jacket. No. Hold, please. Good girl. So then I put on a pair of cut from the cloth camo pants that I got in a Trendsend as well. So both top and pants are from a Trendsend. The cut from the cloth pants, I think I got in a very early Trendsend. So they're probably like 3 years old now. And then I paired it with this jacket that you saw probably a couple weeks ago from JB Stylebox, which I love. It's a Liverpool jacket, nice and long, and I'm really enjoying it. Hello. And then you've seen these many times. I love these mules. They're by Dolce Vita, easy to get on and off. Put those on since we're having a little bit of a warmer day. And for jewelry, I have on Ana Luisa. So I have this Ana Luisa set, the little green stone, green earrings. I'm loving these pieces. And I also have on a Ana Luisa ring. That's this one. And I have a Rocksbox ring on with it. So I have two. And that's my outfit for today. So I hope you're having a great day. I hope you enjoy escaping with me for a little bit. And we'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. We're going to get Miss C her treats. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It is sunny and it is supposed to get up to 70. What? Love that, right, Z? We love the 70 degrees. Can you hear me, Z? Zena. Okay, you can hear me, right? I'm talking to you. Zena loves the warm weather, but she also likes to ignore me. It is so nice because all the snow is melting from last weekend. So I love that because I don't want to see any more snow. I'm loving that. Today, my Wantable Active Edit posted. I don't think I have done an active edit for a little while. And I did the cozy, it was something cozy edit. So I already know what I am keeping. And everyone loved the t-shirt. That was the favorite. And of course, I kept that. Girls Run the World. Yep, they do. Well, they should. They really should. And then I did keep this little set. So I just kept these neutral leggings because I actually did like these and like the fit. And because they were neutral, I figured they would go with a lot, including this little t-shirt actually. And I kept the little bralette to go with it. So that is all I kept. I didn't keep anything else. So I kept that set. And then yesterday, Monday, my Trendsend posted, and we need to go over keepers for that. So I kept the bracelets. So the little, I'm showing you the wrong thing. I kept the bracelets. I have that one with it too because I was going to stack it with these. That one I got in a different box. So I kept the 3 bracelets. I kept the little sweater vest. I'm going to try to like stretch that neck a little bit because it's a sweater. I think I'll be okay. I did keep the Citizens, little cutout, asymmetrical top. I kept the Agotis. Which I really, so these don't have any holes in them, which you're going to find this funny in a minute. So these are the Agodi pinch waist. I kept those. And then I kept the shoes, which I absolutely love the shoes. Love, love, love the shoes. I could have worn those today, actually. Love the shoes. Okay, so that's what I kept from that box. So because I got the, I had the discount, I definitely kept the jeans. So I think I only kept like 4 items plus the bracelets. All right, so that was my Trendsend and my Wantable. You're all caught up on boxes so far this week. So it's time for outfit of the day. And today's a typical work day. And then I'm meeting Linda after work and we have facials today. So excited about that. I chose for today a sweater from the Evereve store. I shared this in one of my hauls. So I'm loving this one's by John and Jenn. And then I put it on with a tank that I got in a Trendsend from Z Supply. I have on the Agodi pinch waist. This is why I'm laughing. But these I got from Nordstrom and they have holes in the knee. So these I can't wear to work. The others I could because they don't have any distressing. These have holes in both knees. And then, and I really am liking the pinch waist a lot. They fit well. The shoes, I got in a Trendsend, in love with these. These are by Dolce Vita, awesome transition shoe. And as I said, it's supposed to get to 70, so I couldn't help but break those out. Time to show a little toe. For jewelry, I have on Rocksbox earrings, a Rocksbox necklace, a Rocksbox ring, and the other ring is Anna Luisa. And that's my outfit for today. All right, we are headed towards the weekend. So we have more than half the week behind us. We'll be back tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is St. Patty's Day. So happy St. Patrick's Day. Happy Green Day. It is 57 degrees outside. It's supposed to get into the mid 60s. And I did choose something green for today. I have on my Liverpool jacket and Liverpool top that I got in a JB Stylebox. I have on Good American denim from Nordstrom. I have on the same shoes as yesterday. These awesome Dolce Vita slides I am in love with. And let's see, for jewelry, I have on a bracelet from Evereve, a Brighton necklace, my little elephant, if you remember him from last year, and earrings, I just have silver hoops on. And that's everything. My rings are Rocksbox. And that is everything for today. We are one day away from Happy Dance Day. We're almost to Friday. Hope everyone is having an amazing week, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, guess what? It is Friday. We did it, Wyatt. Thank you for all the kisses. Thank you, Wyatt. Thank you. You gonna do the happy dance? Okay. Thank you for all the kisses. So it is like super late in the day. Usually I try to film outfit of the day, like on my first break for the day, or usually like by lunchtime or whenever I can squeeze it in, because sometimes I have meetings at lunchtime, but it is like almost 6 o'clock and I'm finally getting outfit of the day in. So the sun is starting to come down. It was out today. It's a beautiful, beautiful day, right, Wyatt? 72. And then I took the poppers outside because it was so pretty. Wyatt ran around the yard for a while, which he loved, didn't you? Yes. So nice outside. You can tell spring is finally on its way. Right, Wyatt? Yeah. Yeah. All right. So, Zana's here. I think she thinks I'm doing a full-blown video, doesn't she? All right, so let's talk outfit of the day and my Stitch Fix. My Stitch Fix posted today, and I think you all probably know what I did with that box, right? I didn't keep anything because it just wasn't worth it for me to keep anything. And luckily I do the Style Pass, so I didn't have a styling fee to worry about losing. I sent it all back. So I'm not sure what to do. Linda and I are trying to coordinate our next boxes, and I try to be descriptive, but I already have gotten the preview for the next box, and I think I always try to pick like one thing and be kind out of the whole collection, which is at least one thing, I should say, at least one thing. And I think I might have picked one thing again to try to help them build around it, but we'll see. And I am descriptive this time. I did tell them what I was looking for. So anyway, nothing from the Stitch Fix box to share with you. For today's outfit, I chose that sweater vest from my Trendsend. My very last Trendsend that I just shared with you, I think earlier this week, right? This little shirt jacket from BB Dakota that I got in my latest JB Stylebox. And my denim is by Good American. I got it in a Trendsend. My shoes, these are so fun. I've had these for quite a bit. They're by Sarto. Got them at Nordstrom. Is this color not so fun? I love these. Figured I could use a pop since they feel kind of neutral on top, even though this has all kinds of color in it. And then my necklace is kind of a preview for my newest Rocksbox collection, which you'll see coming up. And my ring is Luisa. My bracelet is from a box. Which box? I like this one too. It's from a box. I can't remember at the moment which one. I want to say it's from my Oceanista box. I think that's it. Yeah. All right. That is my outfit for today. I'm so excited it's Friday. We have one more outfit to share with you tomorrow, and we'll see you then. Hey everybody, it's the weekend and time for final outfit of the day. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. It's 57. It's supposed to get up to 63 today. And my trunk club posted. I hope you check it out. I think that it wasn't a bad trunk club. However, there was nothing in it that I wanted to add to my closet, or I felt, strongly enough that I wanted to spend the money. So I did not keep anything from that trunk club this time around. All right. What do you think, Z? Want to get into outfit of the day? For today, I have on a cabbie outfit. So you might remember from my last cabbie haul, my stylist put together all kinds of fun outfit ideas for me in a great capsule. I have 3 of those pieces on. I have the little gingham top on with the denim that she had picked out, which I shared a little while before that. Love these denim. They're so comfortable. They're the exposed button. And then, of course, I have on the black tie jacket that I am in love with. It is so comfy. Absolutely adore it. I had to add a pop of color similar to what I did yesterday. This one is a lighter version of the pink. Still wearing slides. These are by Sam Edelman. Got them a couple years ago at Nordstrom. For jewelry, I have on my Brighton necklace that my friend got me for Christmas this year. Brighton earrings, Brighton bracelets. I have 2 of them on. I have a ring I got from Leah Sophia quite some time ago. And that's it. So I'm off to meet my friend, and I hope you have a fabulous Saturday. I will put Zena just wants treats. No. I will list all of my outfits down below for you. If I can link to the exact item, I will. Many of them come from boxes, so I will list all of the boxes for you. Hope you share your favorite outfit. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like. Hope you hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe. If you already have, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.